Good afternoon and welcome to a new video. So I received several new parkside products and also a Livarno Home outdoor light from Lidl shop. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox it, I'm gonna hang it outside and see how it works. So this is the LED solar light from Livarno Home. It's a Lidl brand, a brand that Lidl sells. It automatically detects when it's dark outside and when it should go on when there is movement, and it's charging by the built-in solar panel. The detection range is 10 meters and the angle of the detection range is 120 degrees. The maximum lumens are 450 and it's a 6500K cool white light. So this is all what's in the box, made from plastic. Screws are included. And there is a manual. Looks a little bit the same like the parkside manuals, in a language that you will understand. And here is the LED light with the solar panel. Let's close this up. I'm going to show you how it works now. If you want to turn it on, you press this button and hold it. It will flash. And now it's on 50% mode. That means it will be on 50% all the time. And when there is movement, it will switch to 100% for around 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, it will go back to the 50%. If I push it again, it flashes. It's off now. It looks like it's off. And now there is movement. So the light is continuously off. And when there is movement, it will go to 100%. If I push it again and again, now it's completely off. So I'm just gonna mount it here because this is a very dark spot. So I have a little more light because this is a very dark spot when I go out of the back door of the garden. I can mount it in different positions. And now wait until it gets dark. Testing the 50% mode. It's on for 50% light now, and it doesn't look like it's very light, but it gives more light than you can see in the video. I'm gonna walk up to the light now, and then you will see the light immediately pops up to 100%. And it just gives me enough light to see everything in the garden to walk up to the door of the garden. So it's completely dark now. It's on 100% mode. And you're gonna see when I walk up to the light, it will pop up on 100%. And that's gonna give you enough light in dark spots in your garden or in an alley or wherever you want to use it. It gives more light than you can see in the video. And what's very important is that in daytime, the sun can get onto the solar panel so it can charge. But it's a very nice light for the very dark spots in your garden. So that was the test of the LED light. I'm showing it again now. Show the specifications. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and give a comment what you think about this product. And I hope to see you in next video. Thanks for watching.